want to say thank you, Kyle at Power2Fly, for sending me a brand new Vittorazi muffler and various sundry accoutrements.
I have no idea why I'm trying to save this bubble wrap, but it looks so poppable and so pleasant. Let's save it. Nice. It's got the 2 on the top and the 1 on the bottom. A little bit cooler, different design than I had before. And it's already got the gasket and everything. I just need to heat shrink it, set it up, settle it in place. Put the new bracket, I guess. The new one's got a different bend on it, on there. And so the next thing I do is take apart my old one, all right? So now, this guy has to go to here in some configuration. There you go. So I have my new exhaust rocking out. It doesn't have a crack right there. The shield is one big part all the way down to here instead of it stopping right here, which was, I guess, failing on everybody. It also seems a whole lot thicker, so can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Here we go. I think it looks kind of cool. I got the 2 springs on the top and 1 on the bottom, like the newer guys. I did have the newer version with a thicker bushing, if you can see it. The band is at a different place than it used to be. Wonder how that's going to affect it. Let's see how she do.
My man didn't start the video camera on my takeoff like I asked him to, so he got my landing instead. But he's a little jerky. Let's see if you can see me grease it right here.